He'd better shoot his gun a couple times before he went hunting. So we're gonna see where he's at.
Cows just turned to the left. He's standing there bugling. He's right there. There's a cow in front of him, and he's right behind her. He's walking to the left.
To the left?
Yeah. Right there, broadside. He's probably a 350s, 360 class bull.
Well, we're here with Chuck Seabold. It's shot this bull last day. Had a long hunt. We've been hunting a long time. We cast up a lot of bulls. Had a good hunt.
Yeah, absolutely. I tell you, you're always lucky when you can hunt a full hunt and then get what you want at the end. And we've had the full 11 days, right down to the wire. Saw a lot of bulls, called a lot of bulls out. We were blessed with some windy weather, so we had 4 or 5 days that it was that good. We hunted hard. It was a great, lot of fun.